when Mr. Pillai, before I was elected in Iowa, for 14 years, the Asian American Commission, people wanted an Asian American Commission because there are not very many Indians, there are not very many Filipinos, there are not very many Koreans. So they wanted Asian American Commission because we all work together. In Iowa, that time, we had African American Commission, we had Latino Commission, we had Women Commission, but we did not have Asian American Commission. And my friend Dr. Pandey and Cindy Chen were trying to get this commission, and for 14 years, it languished. Either it would not get out of committees, or it would be, I mean, people would vote no for an Asian American Commission. When I was elected, Dr. Pandey and Cindy Chen said, Swati, please sign on this bill. Same bill, to make long story short. I signed on the same bill that was languishing for 14 years, passed unanimously in both House and in Senate, and Governor signed it. The only reason it passed is because how do you look in eyes of your colleague who happens to be an Asian American and say no to her? I tell people that most of the time, 99.999% of the time, anymore, I don't have to say one word what Asian Americans want. They usually come and ask me, Swati, this will be okay, right? That's why it is important for me to be at the table. And that's why it is very urgent for you and for me, because I'm doing this for all of us, to go on TV. Because when I win, we all win. We all win. And Indian Americans will have a say. Without me saying one word. Because Mr. Pillai will tell you that usually people come and ask you, is it okay? Will it hurt your community? And if it's going to hurt my community, I'll be the first one to say, of course it will. Yeah. I'm not going to be shy about it. And my leadership in Iowa will tell you that I'm not a shy person. So I'm going to stop for a few minutes, and you can ask me questions, and I'll answer those. And I forgot to tell you, most of the time, I do not talk about my family, but I have 2 boys and 3 grandchildren, of course. And I have 2 wonderful, wonderful daughter-in-laws. So,